Alright, so just like in the last video, I've already inserted the key ratios data from Morningstar into the sheet in order to save time. And the stock that I'm going to be analyzing here is Cisco, ticker symbol CSCO. So one thing that I'm doing different in this video is I'm already putting the book value chart over to the side so that when we put in the EPS estimates, you guys can see how that book value is changing. And again, that'll be changing these last 3 years when we're putting in these EPS estimates. And the earnings efficiency, again, is calculated for every $1 of earnings, how much book value is actually being added to the company. So it looks like for Cisco, for every $1 of earnings, about 45 cents of that is actually becoming book value the next year. So once we find these EPS estimates, we can multiply it by that median earnings efficiency to calculate their book value in 3 years. And also we'll be able to see how that affects this chart and if it's following a trend there. So let's go ahead and go to NASDAQ.com and look at the EPS estimates. 2.16, 2.27, 2.27, 2.27. Okay, so now we can see how that affected our book value graph right here. And it looks like once we put those numbers in, it kind of created more of an upward trend that than we were seeing already. So we might need to bring these EPS estimates down a little bit. What if we try 2, 2, 2 here? That looks a little bit more believable. Maybe even like 1.8, 1.8. And let's see if we can get a trend line on here and see how well it follows that. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and display the R squared value as well. Okay, it's following that right there with putting in the EPS estimate of 1.8. It's following that with 99% accuracy. So I think we're going to stick with these 1.8 estimates right here. So the next thing that we're going to find is the median price to book value, so that we can multiply it times the book value that we calculated that we would have in 3 years. And we're going to find that on Guru Focus. So the median price to book ratio over the past 10 years is 2.44. So we'll go ahead and plug that in, 2.44. And we are getting a stock price of $36.78. And let's compare that to the stock price today, $32.82. And that comes out to about a 4% annual return. So that's what you can expect from Cisco over the next 3 years. The stock gaining about $4 in value, which is around a 4% return. So yeah, go ahead and comment another stock that you want me to analyze with using this earnings efficiency model. And thank you for watching.